So we're getting off the ship today in Ketchikan. We have to tender because there's too many ships in port. It's a little overcast, a little cold, a little rainy. It's a little of everything.
A little windy too.
We got off these tenders down here in Ketchikan. You can see there's another ship there. This is the Norwegian Bliss. That's a Holland America ship. Coral Princess down there. The main part of town, I would say, is off that way, you know, Creek Street. So we're gonna head over there. So we got off the tender down there at the visitor center. There's the Westerdam. We're heading up here. We've come down the street a couple of blocks here. It was all jewelry stores and gift shops and souvenir shops. And we've come to the famous, welcome to Alaska, first city, Ketchikan, the salmon capital of the world. Up around there is Creek Street. They do sell umbrellas here though, and they are $4.99 each. So if you like them, jackets, 20 bucks each. So we're crossing Spruce Mill Street. We've come all the way from up there where you see the lights there. Here's a handy map telling you where you might want to go. See that? Waterfront Promenade, Visitors Bureau, Park District. So we're going to walk around over here a little bit. So we cut through this building. It says it's an outlet mall. I guess there's different shops in here and some restaurants. Bathrooms on the second level, public restrooms. That brown building over there was where the lumberjack show was. We walked around the blue building here, coming up this wooden boardwalk. Of course, you can't cross the street here. It's a detour. But we're gonna go across that bridge there. Found ourselves at Creek Street. They have this little pier you can walk out on to get maybe a better picture of it. But you can see the creek runs down through it. And apparently these used to all be bars and whorehouses. Of course now they're all gift shops, and Dolly's is, I guess, a museum of a whorehouse. So there's the sign, makes it official. Creek Street. You can see the ships out there. This must be the funicular. Is it a hotel or something?
Yeah, it's a hotel and a restaurant. And there's also a coffee shop too.
Coffee shop.
Yep.
This is the view from up at the Cape Lodge. The Norwegian Bliss just took off. And totems. Totems. Well, we took the funicular up to the Cape Fox. It was $3 each. And we decided to walk back down because we want to walk up by the park maybe. So we came down from the top of that hill in the Cape Fox Lodge, down that road, turn this way. There's these handy signs along here. The city park tell you where you're going. Fish Hatchery, Totem Heritage Center, and Deer Mountain Trailhead. So that's where we're headed, to all of the above. And I'm gonna guess this is the city park, since it says it. And that looks kind of pretty. I think we're gonna go up that way though. Although maybe that symbol is the fish hatchery down there. Hatchery. So the hatchery is at the park. That's the Totem Heritage Center there. They got a couple totem poles out. It's $6 to go in and look at the totem poles. Well, we walked up to the park, came back down. The funicular was up the top of this hill where the Cape Fox Lodge is. We've reached Married Man's Trail, and that's sort of a joke because it's the path to the whorehouses. So that's called the Yeltatsi Salmon by artist Terry Piles. And it's there to direct the salmon in the river which way to go, because as we all know, they can't find their way home. Oh wait, maybe that's Blind Faith. I get confused. We came from Creek Street. It's right where those buildings are. Walk down this street. There's one of the ships, so that's how far you are from port. Back building. That's the home of Rainforest Cannabis if you're interested. You can't see anything, and I didn't record in there, but they sell a lot of stuff there if you're interested. On behalf of Janet and myself, this is our day in Ketchikan.
Port monkeys out.
Bye.